Hi everyone, welcome to MedullaRPA tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to handle multiple Iframes using MedullaRPA, all without any coding. Let's get started. Today, we have a simple web page called index.html. This page contains two Iframes. The first Iframe has an input box, and the second Iframe contains a checkbox. Let's start by opening the web page in your browser. Now, right-click and inspect the elements inside each Iframe to understand their structure. We'll use these XPaths later while automating the workflow in MedullaRPA. In the MedullaRPA tool, go to the left pane and double-click Open URL. Enter the web page link and run it once to make sure it opens correctly. Next, double-click Iframe in the left pane. Switch to the browser, copy the XPath of the first Iframe, and paste it inside MedullaRPA. Now, double-click Send Text Message and paste the XPath of the input box inside that Iframe. Enter your message text, for example, "Hello from MedullaRPA." Now again, double-click Iframe in the left pane to switch to the second Iframe. Copy the XPath of the second Iframe from the browser and paste it inside the RPA tool. Then, double-click Click Element and enter the XPath of the radio button or checkbox you want to select. Finally, double-click Iframe End twice, once to close the second Iframe and again to close the first Iframe. This ensures that all Iframe contexts are properly closed. Now click Run to execute the workflow. You'll see MedullaRPA automatically switching between Iframes, typing text, and clicking the checkbox, just like a human user, but completely automated. And that's it. You've successfully handled multiple Iframes using MedullaRPA, all in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. You can also download MedullaRPA from MedullaRPA.com and start your own automation journey today.